My name is Arpun Manna. They are my teammates Joshua Lawrence, Satvik Lad and Lakshay. This is our project Noise Pollution to Electricity Production. We are from Don Bosco High School located in Dombivli West in Maharashtra. In present world, there are three main types of pollution: soil pollution, water pollution and air pollution. Science has achieved success against all these types of pollutions by creating numerous solutions. But what about noise pollution? It is a hidden pollution. There are millions of decibels of sound which gets wasted daily, knowingly or unknowingly. So this is our project which converts the sound energy into electricity production. Now my friend will explain the working.
So let me explain the full working. So this is the speaker. When a sound is applied, sound is kept over the speaker. The speaker generates some sound waves. These sound waves makes the another speaker to vibrate. As the vibration happens, the coil also vibrates. Since the diaphragm vibrates, the coil also vibrates. Due to the vibration of the coil, current is generated as per the Faraday law. So, with the help of the indicator, we can show the current. Let me show the working of this model. This bulb is glowing due to the current. These are the AC spikes generated by the sound. As you can see, around 800 to 1.4 current is generated using this sound. So, this is the working of this model. So as you have seen, the light has glowed. Now the rectifier converts AC spikes to DC. The DC current is stored in the battery. And now let me explain this sense. So when I get the same way with this sound, this speaker generates sound waves with the help of this amplifier. And when I keep the sensors, and as you can see, some amount of light is glowing. Light generated by the piezoelectric sensor. Current generated around 120 to 140 volt is millivolt is generated. Now let me tell you how it works. When the song was played, the sensors did vibrate. The crystals inside it contains upper side plus and lower side minus. When pressure is applied, the current is generated in millivolts to volt, and this volt can be stored in the battery. First we have indicated using the indicator. This is the diode. The diode converts AC spikes to DC. The DC voltage is again stored in the same battery which this current is stored, and the current is stored. This current may be stored in the battery, and the battery current is 4 volt. Since we can't use this 4 volt for glowing appliances, that's why we have used a voltage booster setup. This was voltage booster boosts the 4 volt battery to 12 volt, and the output is stored in the 12 volt battery. This battery is connected to the DC to AC converter, and from DC to AC converter we can glow a bulb, we can charge our electrical appliances, we can run our every electrical appliance by this current. Now my friend will explain the advantages and disadvantages of the project.
There are several amazing advantages of converting sound energy into electricity. First, it helps in reducing noise pollution by capturing unwanted sound and turning it into something useful. Second, it is a clean and renewable source of energy. It doesn't release smoke and harmful gases like fossil fuels do. Third, it can be used in smart cities where continuous sound such as vehicle horns, public places, etc. can generate small amounts of electricity which can be useful for
Just a coin has two sides, heads and tails. Like that, every project has advantage and disadvantage. The main disadvantage of this project is that is less efficiency of current generated. So this is the disadvantage. Now my friend will explain the conclusion.
To conclude, this project, noise pollution to electricity, is a great idea and a brilliant example of how science can convert a daily phenomenon into electricity, which is a sustainable energy resource. It also tells us that we can turn unwanted noise into something valuable. So let us explore more such topics together, and let us make our planet smarter, cleaner and energy efficient. So now my friend will tell you the future idea of this project.
In future we can make, as solar plate photovoltaic cells are present, like that we can make a photovoltaic cells using the piezoelectric sensors and the speakers. We can get these plates in the industries, in the traffic roads, in the busy roads and in railway station, etc. We can generate more amount of renewable energy with these speakers and the plates. So we are planning to use renewable energy and save our earth from global warming. Thank you.